We're at Southeast Steel in downtown Orlando to check out the new Frigidaire oven with built-in air fryer and to judge a chicken wing air fry-off.
Hey, I'm Kendra with Edible Orlando, and I'm here with Ricky Lee of Tasty Chomps, and we're here to talk with Robert Barrett with Frigidaire Electrolux about this groovy new oven behind us. So Robert, what makes this special?
This is the new Frigidaire Gallery, air fry, front control freestanding range. We were the first to put the air fry technology into a range. That way you could take your air fryer off the countertop as well as do more wings or more fries at one time than in the air fryer. By increasing the wattage of the elements, we're able to get the fried finish of food on the foods without the little or no oil. So it's all the flavor with none of the guilt.
Excellent. So what are we tasting today?
We've got three different wings for you. A traditional buffalo style wing. We've got a barbecue wing, and then we've got a dry rub wing as well. So.
Right. I'll play mom.
Eat.
Thank you.
I like the little drummies.
I'm a flat scale. Blue cheese or ranch though?
I think the key is that the flavors are all different, but they were all cooked really nicely.
They really
And
were.
I think the air fryer did a pretty good job.
I think it did too. I usually order in a restaurant. I'll sometimes say extra crispy. These are perfect.
So, right. Win-win-win.
Without the guilt. Just in time for football season.
All right.